kids! Are you ready to learn 10 amazing words that start with the letter B? In just 1 minute? Let's go! Hey! This is a ball. You can kick it, throw it, and catch it. But don't break Mom's window. Repeat together. Ball!
This is a banana. Monkeys love bananas. Be careful, don't slip on the banana peel.
Banana!
This for bird in funny style. This is a bird. Birds can fly high in the sky and sing beautiful songs.
Bird!
B for book. This is a book. Books help us learn new things every day.
Unless it's homework time. Book! B for bear. This is a bear. Bears are big, strong, and fluffy. Only hug cartoon bears. Bear!
For butterfly. This is a butterfly. It has beautiful, colorful wings. Repeat together. Butterfly!
B for bus. This is a bus. It takes children safely to school. Don't be late or the bus will say bye-bye. Now let's say it together. Bus! B for bee. This is a bee. Bees make sweet honey, but don't bother them. Buzz. Repeat together. Bee! B for balloon. This is a balloon. Balloons float high in the air and pop. Oops. Balloon. Bamboo.
Bamboo grows
Super fast.
and it's the favorite food of pandas. If I ate bamboo all day, I'd probably start saying panda power.
Wow! Look at all these amazing friends that start with the letter B. Can you say B?